Kinetic theory of gases. Various laws of gases like Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Avogadro's law have been proposed on the basis of experimental results. In order to explain the behavior of gas at molecular level, James Maxwell has proposed kinetic molecular theory of gases. Postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases. Postulate 1. Each gas consists of huge number of tiny and identical particles like atoms or molecules. The individual atoms or molecules are separated by large average distances, due to which the most of the volume occupied by the gas consists of empty space. This observation indicates that the actual volume occupied by the individual gas molecules is negligible compared to that of total volume of entire gas. Thus, the volume occupied by individual gas molecules may be ignored. This assumption made in postulate 1 of kinetic molecular theory of gases explains the compressibility of gas, that is, ability of gases to reduce its volume on application of pressure. Postulate 2. The particles of gas, either molecules or atoms, are never static and move randomly in different directions, taking straight line paths. This continuous random movement of gas molecules in different directions is called Brownian movement. The individual gas molecules always travel in straight lines with different and constant velocities. During their motion, the molecules collide with each other and also collide with the walls of the container. The pressure exerted by the gas is developed due to collision of gas molecules with the walls of the container. The properties of gas, like pressure, depends on the motion of the molecules and would have same value in different directions. Further, it may be noted that the gravitational forces or gravity has got no influence on the motion of gas molecules.